The question said that we should find the inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix. But before finding the inverse of a 3 by 3 matrix, we have to find the determinant of that matrix A. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
So I will start by determinant of A is, our rule says plus, minus, plus. Just be attentive. Don't, even if you remember it, just be looking very well. So that means I will put 2 down and I will write what? 4, 2,
Two
0,
zero
1.
one.
The next one I'll put minus, minus 1. Do you get it? That will
Yes,
give
sir.
me 1, 2, 3, 1. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And the next one I will put to minus plus 0. But everything in that 0 will give me 0 because 0 is now outside to multiply it. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
So that means on this one, I'm going to get 2 multiplied by 4 times 1 is 4.
Wait, sir, wait,
No,
sir, wait,
no,
sir,
no,
wait,
no, no,
sir.
no, no. Hold on for that wait. Be looking first. Just be
The
looking.
answer is three. The answer is three.
Just be looking first.
This
4
is
multiplied
focus.
by 1 is 4. 0 multiplied by 2 is 0. 4 minus 0
Okay.
is 4. That is what I will have
Yeah.
here. Now, this minus minus will give me plus 1. Then inside the bracket, 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. And the 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 1 minus 6 will give me minus 5.
This is
Therefore,
focus.
I am going to have
Three.
8 minus 5. Is that what you see?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So that is now going to become what?
Three.
3.
So I fuck up now.
Huh?
So
You
I
say?
fuck up.
You did what?
So I fuck up. I did. I miscalculated it.
So, but you did
Eh,
it 3 times now.
yes. But I didn't know. I didn't know that it was zero. I thought that it was one.
What do you mean by that thing?
The zero outside. I thought it was one.
The 0 outside.
Yes, sir.
It should be 0 now. Look at it here. This place is meant to be 0. Is it not 0?
Yes, sir.
I have
No.
an eye problem to see it.
No, sir.
Uh-huh. So at the
I
end,
didn't.
the second one we took was 1, 2, 3, 1. So 2 times 1 times 1 is 1, and 3 times 2 is 6. So that is where we got 1 minus 5, and it became a negative value. So that minus 5, 1 minus 6 rather. So it gave us minus 5. Then when you multiply by the plus, because we got there minus, minus. So that minus, minus, we change to plus. And when you multiply, you get plus. So the
Yes, sir.
in
So
that
give me
case,
another one.
you say,
Give me another one. Let me solve.
uh, is it for the finding determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix?
Yes.
Okay, so the determinant of this particular one is
I need to
equal to
prove
3,
myself.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, before I give you another one, let us now go into finding the inverse of that 3 by 3. When we get to the next question, you will first find for me the determinant before we find the inverse. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, I want to go ahead with finding the adjoint matrix of A. What it means is that the inverse we want to set out now, we want to set up will be 1 all over 3. Then multiply by what? Adjoint matrix of what? A. Isn't
A.
it?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's find that adjoint. Adjoint part is where we are going. The adjoint multiplied by the inverse of the
I
determinant
need four,
is,
sir.
are you listening? Are you
Yes,
listening?
sir. Yes, sir. I am loud and
The
clear.
adjoint multiplied by the inverse of the determinant is what we call, sorry, yes, inverse of the determinant is what we call inverse matrix of a 3 by 3 matrix. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, to
I'm listening.
find the adjoint matrix, we are going to find what is called cofactor matrix. Cofactor. Did you hear that grammar?
Yes, sir.
In that cofactor matrix, we
Hmm.
are going to get what is called a minus. I don't mean minus as minus, but minus,
Okay.
NORS minus. Uh-huh. But before that, we have to set up a rule. And that rule is going to be like this. The rule will go like this. If we have something like this, plus, minus, plus, be listening to me. Stop
Yes,
that
sir.
side discussion. Minus, plus, minus, and the plus, minus, plus. This is what we are going to work with in finding the cofactor matrix. Now, what does this thing mean? We'll go back to that matrix and begin to look at what I will do. Look at what I will do. If I come here, I will take these two. I want to wipe this place so that I decluster it. So you are still
Yes, sir.
seeing the matrix very well, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If I come to that matrix, if I take these two, I will cancel this line and cancel this line. What will be left is this place. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
That is what I want to use to find the cofactor. So what that means is that C cofactor C11. What does C11 mean? C11 means I want to get the value that will be at this place I circled 2. Did you hear what I said?
Yes, sir.
The value that will be at this place I circled 2 is what I want to look for. That is what I called C11. Why did I call it C11? C represents cofactor matrix. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
1 means that I'm finding the one in row 1, column 1. Row, the first row, and the first column. That is the meaning of C11. So what will I do to get it? I come back here. Watch out this place. I put plus here, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Then you put plus in front and put 4201. You find it. And 4201, if we find the determinant, what is he going to give us?
4.
4 is correct. So we have gotten C11. And we go to what? C12.
1, 2.
Do you understand me?
Yes, sir.
And what is the sign here? The sign is what?
Minus.
Minus. Then tell me what are the values that I'm going to take now to
1,
get it.
2, 3, 1.
Say it again.
1,
Uh-huh.
2,
Okay.
3, and 1.
Yes, you are correct. 1, 2,
As
3,
always.
and 1. So what is the value going to give us? Plus 5.
Minus. Oh, yeah, plus 5 now.
Because
Plus
of
5
that
because of the
minus
minus. Yes.
outside. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So that minus outside is what made it plus. Does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
So we go again to C13. C13. Okay. So what
Yes.
are the values I'm going to take from the matrix we are using? Sorry, let me
1,
let me clean it so
4,
that
3, and 0.
let me clean it so that you can see it properly. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now go ahead. Talk to me.
1, 4, 3, and 0.
1, 4. But first and foremost, should I take plus or minus?
Plus.
Plus is correct. Then you now say 1, 4,
3,
1,
and 0.
4, 3, 0. You are correct. 1, 4, 3, 0. So if I work on it, what will be the answer?
0.
0 is wrong.
Oh, no, no, no. Minus 12.
Minus 12 is correct. Minus 12 is correct. So we have finished the first line. Is it not true?
Yes, sir.
Let me cut that matrix from the top and bring it down so that you can be seen instead of scrolling up and down. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So remember what we are looking for now. What did I call it?
Cofactor.
Cofactor matrix, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
From that cofactor matrix, we will now find what is called what?
Adjunct.
Adjunct. Yes. You are awake. You are not sleeping again. You have woken up. So I'm going into what? C what? Tell me.
C13. C12.
Yes, your energy is high. C12. So what will I use? Should I use plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus is correct. So what are the values I will take now?
So
No, did you say C12? No, C12 is not what I will take. I have gotten C13. So the next one is going to be
okay,
C21.
C14.
C21.
C21.
Do you understand? That means
Yes.
this place. Do you understand?
Okay. Yes, sir.
And that place, minus started it. Look at it, minus.
Yes,
Does it make sense?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
tell me the values I will take fast.
Jesus.
It is going to be
Minus
minus
one
1, 0,
042. Oh,
0, 1. No? When you
zero
take this
okay.
one, you cancel this line, you cancel this
Okay.
line. Does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. I think it makes sense.
Yes, sir.
Tell me the final result.
Minus one.
No, it will be 1.
Oh,
Minus
one,
1
one,
times 1
one.
is
Okay,
minus
yeah,
1.
because of the minus
Minus,
one.
minus. I think you are getting it.
Yes, sir.
So I take what now? See what will I take?
C22
C22. You are a guy. So tell me the values. But first, before you tell me the values, plus or minus?
plus
Plus. Good. So are the values I will take now?
um
I'm listening. She's going to be 2, 0.
2031. Abi.
Yes, 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 you are
Mm.
correct. So what will be the final value now?
2
2 is correct. Imo anya ka azụ. Next one is C23. C23. So what will I take? Minus or plus?
minus
Minus is correct. Tell me the actual values.
um that's
Actual values.
1 2
No,
wait oh.
no. You are in C23. Look at where you are. You're on this line.
Yeah,
You're on this line. So this is
okay,
the one you are solving.
okay.
So you have 2 minus 1.
2130, 2 minus 130.
Yes. Once you're able to figure out all these things, you are good to go. So what
Sir, you wrote one there instead of three. You wrote one instead of three down.
done?
Yeah, yeah.
I wrote 2 minus 1, 3, 0. That is what I wrote.
You did not write three. That's one I'm seeing there now. Is that not one down?
No, that is 3. I having a problem.
Okay, okay.
So that is 3, okay? That is this 3 now. This 3, look at it
Yes, sir.
here. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So tell me, what will be the result fast?
Plus three.
Correct. What will I take next? See what?
C 3 1.
Are you sure?
So I don't know whether I see three
Yes, yes, you
one.
are correct.
Mm.
C31. So in that C31 now, let me clean the matrix for you. Okay, tell me what I will take. And the
Um,
sign.
minus first.
Minus first, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure? Let me go back to the rule. See the rule here.
This one okay,
Look at the
plus is
rule.
plus is plus.
Uh-huh. So what you are doing now is plus minus plus. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, so therefore, what will I now write? Plus what? Tell me
Plus
fast.
um that's three is this one.
That is
So
minus 1, 0,
minus 1042.
4, 2. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
But quickly, what will the result be?
Minus two. Zero minus um two.
That will give
Plus
us
two. Plus
minus
two
2.
plus.
No, it's
Oh
not
yeah,
plus.
minus two.
Because here is
Okay.
plus. So the next
Okay.
one is what? C32, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
We take minus.
Wait,
Give me
wait,
the.
wait.
I'm
Okay,
waiting.
okay. Okay, I see it. I see it. Don't worry,
Okay,
sir.
so what are the values I will use to find C32?
Um 20. How much?
C32.
C32.
Look at it. See C32 here. Do you
Mm-hmm.
understand?
Yeah. Oh,
So,
Sasa,
so
one,
this line
two.
and this line will go. That is what will
Okay.
happen.
So 201 and 2.
That is
Okay.
it. I hope you
Okay.
are getting it.
Yes, sir, I'll learn it with time, with time.
Yeah, I understand. I understand. So, what now will be your final result?
-4.
Minus 4 is accurate. Then the last one, which is C33. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
So C33, what is C33 going to be?
Plus.
Plus is correct. So let me go to the matrix for you so that you give me the accurate ones. I can clean it and make it neat. So what do you
Yes, sir.
have?
Wait, sir, can you do that thing that you did for C32?
Look
Let
at
me
where, okay,
understand.
look at where you are.
Yeah.
So this guy man we cancel, and this line we
Okay.
cancel. So this is what you
Okay.
have left.
Okay. 2 minus 1 minus 1 and 4.
2 minus 1, 1 and 4, right?
Oh, yes, sir.
Yes. So what will now be the result?
I can't see the matches. Let me.
Okay, sorry. Let me put it up. Let me put it up.
Yes.
Is it better now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Plus 9.
Plus 9 is correct. We are done now. We got C11, C12, C13, C23, C21, C22, C23, and then C31, C32, and C33. Now, it means that the cofactor matrix, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Cofactor matrix now is going to be cofactor matrix, which is what we are looking for. We want to use it to find what is called what? Adjoint matrix.
Adjoint.
So on this line, I'm going to get what? 9
9
minus
4
4
and
minus
minus
2.
2.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I will go to next one. What will I get? 3, 2,
3, 2,
1.
1.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So that is 3,
2,
2, 1. I will now go
1.
to the first row. Let's look at it. It is 5. Look at it here. 5. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
4.
5
And what?
minus 12.
Okay, on the top.
Yeah.
Huh? No.
Minus 12 is going to be first.
C11
Then
is
5.
4. C12 is 5.
Yes.
And the C13 is minus 12. So 4, 5 minus 12, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
4, 5 minus 12. 4, 5 minus 12.
Yeah, like that. Yes.
Yes, this is what we call cofactor matrix. Therefore, I will now form adjoint matrix from it. So adjoint matrix of A now, are you listening? Is
Yes,
going to be transpose matrix. What is transpose? Make the row to become the column. So this 4, 5 minus 12 will now be 4, 5 minus 12. Did you hear what I said?
Yes, sir.
Next one, 1, 2, 3 will now become 1, 2, 3. Next one, minus 2, minus 4, minus 9 will now become minus 2, minus 4, and 9. So therefore, adjoint matrix is the transpose of what? Cofactor matrix.
Cofactor matrix.
Do you understand? So where the workload lies is on what? Finding minus and the cofactor. Isn't it? Now,
yes, sir.
Finally, what will now be our inverse matrix? Remember what we are looking for is inverse matrix. We now say the inverse of A, the final answer, will now be A inverse is equal to, what will I write? 1 all over 3,
1 over 3.
multiply what? 4, 1, minus 2, 5, 2, minus 4, minus 12, 3, 9. Final answer. Beautiful.
Very balanced.
I hope it makes sense to you. Does it?
Yes, sir.
Beautiful.
So it's a long one to copy you.
I understand.
Very long one.
I understand. Provided
na mbụ agwara m mmadụ si